Hi, I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE invites affiliated schools to establish National Service Scheme, self-financing units under the My Bharat initiative, each unit to typically comprise 50 to 100 student volunteers to promote community service, leadership, national integration and social responsibility through education through service. Lok Sabha passes the Public Examinations, Prevention of Unfair Means, Amendment Bill, 2026 by voice vote, enhancing punishments, introducing special fast-track courts and a special task force, and mandating time-bound investigation and trial. Rajya Sabha to take up the bill today. Karnataka mandates HIV awareness, counseling and testing camps in all engineering and degree colleges after 7,000 plus students and young people aged 18 to 25 tested HIV positive. State ranks third highest nationally in the number of people living with HIV, according to NACO's Sankalak, Status of National AIDS and STD Response 2024, HIV testing to remain fully voluntary and consent-based. Medical Counselling Committee announces major reforms for the NEET UG 2026 counselling process. Students can now upgrade or resign from allotted seats online without physically reporting to colleges, while NRI applicants can submit documents digitally for verification. Fast Track Court clears the way for trial in the alleged NEET UG 2026 paper leak case by taking cognizance of the CBI charge sheet. 13 accused, including 3 NTA subject experts, to coaching center associates, middlemen and beneficiary candidates, to face prosecution. CBI alleges 1 NTA subject expert earned 21 lakh rupees by leaking the question paper, and the leak was used to boost coaching results. Assam State School Education Board announces free issuance of duplicate educational documents for flood-affected students in 4 districts. Class 10th, HSLC and AHM students can apply through SEBA services, while Class 12 higher secondary students can apply through the AHSEC portal. No police report required, self-declaration sufficient. 18-year-old Class 12 student dies by suicide in Telangana after female lecturer allegedly humiliated and slapped him over exam marks. Police register abetment to suicide case against teacher. Investigation underway. IIT Kanpur to assess the cyber-security skills of a student who allegedly defaced parts of the IIT Kanpur and IIT Madras websites with the message, "Site is hacked. All I need is just a fair chance." After being denied admission to its Bachelor of Cybersecurity, choosing a skills assessment over immediate legal action. Delhi University Teachers Association stages peaceful protest against notices issued to 34 faculty members over their absence on the first day of the academic session, calls memorandum arbitrary and stigmatic, demands its immediate withdrawal. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.